Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the file ready. Start by confirming Photoshop supports WebP or install the official plugin. Open your image, then make a quick backup copy and flatten only if unnecessary layers will bloat size. Once done, resize to your target pixel dimensions and set color mode to RGB and 8-bit to ensure compatibility. Make sure to check image quality visually before export. This reduces rework. Now move to the export workflow so you can choose WebP options that match your needs. You'll export using File, Export, save a copy so Photoshop writes a new file without altering the PSD. Once the dialog opens, choose WebP from the Format menu. Pick Lossy for smaller files or Lossless to preserve every pixel. Then adjust the quality slider. Higher values reduce visible artifacts but increase file size, so preview at 100% to judge noise and edges. Make sure to enable metadata or ICC profile only if required. Then confirm Save Location and click Save to write the WebP. You've exported the WebP. Now verify it by opening the file in a modern browser or a WebP-aware viewer to confirm quality and transparency. If you notice color shifts, make sure to convert the image to sRGB beforehand or include the ICC profile during export to preserve color accuracy. If transparency is lost, re-export choosing Lossless or enable alpha channel support. One key troubleshooting tip. If WebP doesn't appear as an option, reinstall the WebP plugin or use Save for Web Legacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.